Hello everyone. Today you might be thinking that what type of machine is this? Is it a calculator or is it something? Why it is having this like a mixture or a grinder, it is having this type of buttons, or like a you have a little fan. So this is a multimeter. This is a multimeter in which we can measure the volts, the resistance and the amperes. Here electric potential, here the resistance, and here the electric current, that is the amperes. So this type of machine it is. You can on or off this machine through this button. I just zoom it so you can see clearly here. So today we will use this multimeter to find the voltage of this old battery that I have and this new battery, that is the first watt, and this is the high power. Both are 9 volts batteries, and today we are going to measure the voltage these both have. And after that there is a bonus that we will see after this experiment. So let's start. For this experiment we need these two batteries, or two batteries, just one I used a little bit and not used a little bit, which is a new battery. And then this is the multimeter that we always want, and these are the two cables that are joined to here. So now let's start. So here is the first battery. Now we will put, this is the negative cable and this is the positive cable. So first we need to find that this is negative and this is positive. So we will put this negative end on this hole that is here, or I just zoom it a little bit so for your understanding. Here this, and here this one. So this is the voltage of this battery. We have got that this we have put in the negative and this is in the positive, and this is the voltage of this battery that we have used 0.4 volts of this battery. This is a 9 volt battery and 8.6 is the voltage now left in this battery. So we have used 0.4 volts of this battery. So now we will move on to this new battery. It is not open, but I have made two holes in this. Here we have put, and we can see it is 9.6667, that is between these voltage, and we can assume that this has more voltage than it has been written. It is written that it has the voltage of 9 volts, and we can see here it is 9.6 volts, that is approximately it has 10 volts. So this is the use of a multimeter, you can say. And now there is a bonus part, that is we will remove the screws of this multimeter and we will see what is inside this multimeter. So we will remove these screws. So we have removed the screws, and now we will remove this. Oh wow, what a complicated network is this. I will give you a top view. Nice. So this is what's inside this multimeter. We have this 9-volt battery, that is heavy duty 164E 6F 22 9 volts, 0% mercury, that's extra. So it also works on a 9-volt battery, and this is the board, and this is the screen display here. This is some type sort of a key, and these are the 3 cable points that we insert the cables. It should be off, but I directly on it. So this is what's all inside the multimeter, and the most of the parts are soldered here, and there are 3 screws here. The screws are for the adjustment of this board, and if we remove these 3 screws, this board will be removed and we would see this. But this is a new multimeter that I have brought yesterday. My father brought it, so I can't do that, because if it gets damaged, then it is a huge booty to pay. So our video ends today. So for more such interesting videos, go to my channel, that is King of Science by Mallar Jadhav, and hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you.